In this video, we are unboxing the 1 to 1/8 inch cylinder honing tool. Remove the cable tie from the top of the tool. The 3 honing jaws will spring open. Rotate the adjustment knob to control the jaw spread and match different cylinder bore diameters. The main purpose of this tool is to hone the inner walls of engine cylinders, used primarily for crosshatch cylinder wall honing. To create an even oil retention pattern for the piston rings, this allows new piston rings to seat quickly, improves sealing performance, and reduces oil consumption. The head features 3 expandable honing stones. Rotate the knurled adjustment nut to set the stone spread to fit different cylinder bore diameters. This tool is 1 to 1/8 inch size, compatible with cylinders of similar diameters. The hexagonal shank on the rear can be mounted directly into a power drill or air drill. Use a rotating up and down reciprocating motion to perform the honing. Make sure this is a wet honing process. Use honing oil or engine oil for cooling and lubrication throughout the entire operation. Do not run it dry, or it will burn up the stones and score the cylinder walls. Keep the speed in the 300 to 700 revolutions per minute range. With the drill at low speed, move the tool up and down at a steady, even pace. Avoid lingering in one spot for too long to prevent uneven wear or creating a step in the cylinder wall. After honing is complete, thoroughly clean all abrasive particles from the cylinder walls to prevent damaging the piston rings. After honing, flush the cylinder repeatedly with kerosene or gasoline. Then wipe with a clean white cloth until no dark residue remains.